This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. How you doing, guys? It's March 8th, 2020. Gonna do a little coffee chat here. Talk about a couple of things going on my channel. This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Great tool company. If you guys need any tools, go check out Value Testers. The links are always in the description of all my videos. Big tool company. They help out with making the videos. They sponsor the channel. It's been with me for almost 2 years now. And great customer service, great company to work with. They have all the tools that we could possibly need and best pricing. So it's a win-win. If I need tools, I go check them out over there. So if you guys need gauges or any kind of testing equipment, whatever it is, give them a shot. All right, so what's going on? Back to the gym. I went back to the gym. It's been probably about 3 weeks. I've been going like probably 5 times a week, trying to get back into shape. I was kind of drinking quite a few beers at night, editing videos, and I stopped all that, got off all that, and getting my shit back together. I'm starting to look like John Israel, so we gotta clean up my act and get back into shape. Been going through the house and cleaning up everything, going through all the clothes that I'm not using, and just packing it all up, bringing it to Salvation Army, and going through all the rooms and anything that I don't use, dishes and pans and stuff I haven't used and not used, and just, in the cabinets that taking up room. I've been just going through everything and just cleaning it out. I got to go through the cellar. I got a bunch of clothes upstairs I'm going to go through. Stuff I'm not using. I mean, I got it in big totes and stuff I'm not even using. I'm just going to get rid of it all. And kind of downsize and just streamline and trying to, get back on track here with some of the stuff. What else is going on? I'm going to start bringing back the cooking videos by popular demand. A lot of people have been asking me about that, and start doing them cooking videos again. Maybe I'll do like one every Sunday in the morning or something. Do a quick little cooking video. Especially the ladies that follow me, they kind of like those, and sometimes they watch and get a different spin on, what I would use and what I do on the cooking videos. And I don't get a lot of hits on them, but I kind of enjoy making them, so we're going to do that. Next month is going to be 7 years I've been on YouTube posting videos. And it's been a long run. I have still not sick of making videos. Every video that you see is probably 3-4 hours in the making, to make one video. One 20-30 minute video is probably 3-4 hours by the time you load it up and edit everything and render it and then upload it to YouTube. And it's a good 3-4 hours per video. So it's a lot of work. It's kind of a labor of love. I've done it for a hobby for so long, and now it turned into, it's almost like another job for me. And I don't mind doing it. I mean, I'm really surprised I never got burnt out with it. It's going to be 7 years next month. And still enjoy doing it, which is kind of shocking, to be honest with you. All right, so what else is going on? I got this Instagram. I got stuff on Instagram that I post, like pictures and stuff of the dog, and if I make a salad or something, I'll post it on Instagram. Or sometimes at work and something I see that's nasty, I'll take a picture and put it on Instagram. And I should call it, instead of Instagram, I should call it Scamagram, because you should see all the scammers on Instagram. It's completely off the flipping wall how many scammers there are on there. I get like probably 8 or 10 a day that come through and sign up for my channel. And then right away I see it on my phone. Oh, so and so signed up for your channel, and the next thing you know, they're trying to instant message me like within like a couple of minutes later, and it's almost hilarious because just see all these. They got all these beautiful pictures of these ladies on Instagram, right? And You go check it out. Beautiful ladies, like 20-year-old tenderloin, trying to Instagram messages. It's probably some black guy from Africa with no teeth behind the keyboard, and he's got a couple of pictures of these nice little tenderloin girl, beautiful pictures of her, and you're looking at these pictures, say, oh my God, look at this girl, she's after me. I mean, oh my God, and it's this little black guy behind the keyboard, punching in, want you to send $2,000 over here to Africa so I could get on a plane and come over and visit you, from Uganda or something like that. It's really crazy. So I get like 8 or 10 of these a day. I mean, most of them, they all use the same pictures of the same girls, and it's different name. This one's here, from this one's from India, and the other one's from Africa, and there's one from South America, and they all got the same pictures. They're all different names. This one will name Kubai Young. The other one is Sushi Roll. The other one's a Sushi Roll name. Or the other one is who knows? But it's funny. Scamagram, I call it. And you think people are stupid enough to fall for this stuff? It's ridiculous. See some of the pictures. See some of the pictures that they have. It's like really unbelievable. I laugh every time I see. Yeah, I get 8 or 9 a day, coming through. They call that phishing. They do the same thing on Facebook, you know. Every so often I get this one lady that comes through, beautiful girl, young girl, in her 20s, and want to be your friend. So I said, oh, okay. Look who wants to be my friend. I go look at it, and she's got one picture on there, new account. Then you go look at all the, the thumbs up and the little hearts. They're all these people. All these people are from India. Every one of them giving a thumbs up. So you know what that means? A scammer from India and all their bum buddies over there are all giving it the thumbs up and the heart. Then you look at another one. It's all Africans, all from Africa, from Uganda or something. Same thing with Facebook. Instagram's just as bad. Oh, they come in, they like a couple of your pictures. Oh, instant message me so we can talk. Yeah, sure. Unbelievable. So that's it. Back to the gym, getting myself back into shape, and I want to start doing the vlogs again. Back doing the vlogs, maybe once a week. Talk about different things. And I got some guys that sent me some stuff through the mail too. I want to give a shout out to them. One guy sent me a tool for yellow burners. I appreciate that. Other guy sent me a bunch of copper fittings and copper male adapters that I could use. He had it in his cellar, and these guys didn't have to do this. They end up sending this stuff. Sometimes they buy the thing and then they send it to me, and they got to pay the shipping. And I do appreciate all that stuff that these people do for me. I do get a lot of phone calls from people asking me questions on how to fix their boiler. I do YouTube videos, and then they look me up on the internet, and they call my business line. Calling me and think they're gonna ask me all kinds of questions, free information. This is my business. YouTube's YouTube. My business is separate, and I'm not gonna answer all kinds of questions. For one thing, it's a liability issue. And if something happens to you, I'm liable and can get a lawsuit. So I'm not answering no questions on the phone. So do yourself a favor and just call a local heating contractor or plumbing or HVAC guy to answer your questions, because I'm not going to answer any questions over the phone. And I mean, it's ridiculous amount of people that call me, and they see a YouTube video and they think that you're there to give them free advice to rebuild their whole house. It's like unbelievable. No, it's my business. My business is my business. It's not a free 1-800 hotline so I could talk you through how do you fix your oil burner because it's blowing black smoke. I mean, really, guy? No, that ain't what it's about. So. Some nervous some people. It's like I just don't get it. I mean, I just don't get it. So again, I'm not answering no questions over the phone. I'm not going to tell you how to fix your oil burner. You know, I'm not going to tell you how to fix your air conditioning because it's out and you're calling me, in the middle of the night. Oh my God, my air conditioner broke. What do I do? Pick up the phone and call a local repair guy to get over there and fix it for you. That's what you need to do. Unbelievable. All right, guys, just going to do a quick little vlog, and I'm going to start getting back into doing more vlogs, and the cooking videos are coming back, and all that stuff. All right, just wanted to give a little how you doing, and give a little quick chat, let you guys know I'm still alive and doing well. All right, more videos to come. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the verification bell. And I post one video a day. Haven't got sick of it yet. All right, have a good one, man.